In this video, I will show how to turn autocorrect option off in MS Word. Open Microsoft Word, then File. Here click on Options and click on Proofing. Then click on AutoCorrect Options. Here you can unselect these all options to turn off autocorrect. Also, you can unselect these options, auto format, and in the action, unselect enable additional actions in the right click menu. Unselect this box, replace text as you type, then click on OK. So this is the setting. You can turn off autocorrect options in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.